Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can easily connect your GoDaddy account domain into your Shopify account. It's a pretty simple process, so make sure you follow me till the end to get a good idea on how you can do this. Now, as you can see, I'm here on my dashboard. Now, if you want to connect an external domain into your Shopify account, it's pretty simple. Just click on settings on the bottom left corner. Once you're in here, you can scroll down and click on domain. Now you can obviously buy your own domain using Shopify's own website hosting services, but you can also connect an existing domain from GoDaddy or Google Domains. For this video, we'll be considering GoDaddy. Just type in your username. Once you do that, you will be asked to connect your GoDaddy account. So make sure you have already logged into your account using GoDaddy. Once that's done, it will ask you to connect, and that's it. It will authorize the connection and you will be easily able to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Shopify account. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.